everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see blocked user on Snapchat. So if you want to see blocked user on your Snapchat, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to open up your Snapchat here. Once you have opened up your Snapchat, you have to navigate to your profile icon or fit emoji or your avatar, which is on the top left corner of the screen. Once you are here on your profile page, you have to access to the setting. You have to tap on the gear icon which is on the top right corner of the screen to open up your setting. And here you have to scroll down to the block section. Scroll down and you will find the block section here. So on your under your account action, you will see the blocked user. You have to just tap on that. Once you are on your block user, you can see your block user. So if you want to unblock them, you have to just go for the cross icon and go for the ads option if you want to unblock them. So this way you can easily see the block user on your Snapchat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.